All right, here's NSCAS Part 8 Writing Questions. You are going to be reading the question and then doing what it says as if you were writing. So here it wants you to put the sentences in order as if you were making an introductory paragraph. So you will read sentence A, sentence B, and sentence C, and then choose which order they should be in, or if any order is fine. Here you need to find the best. Here you will read this and then choose 2 sentences to describe what the stoats look like. What would be the best ones? And you need to put them in A, B, C order. So whichever one comes first, put in row 1, and whichever one comes second, put in row 2, so that they will show up correct. So let's say you chose B and then E. I don't know what the answers are, but make sure that you put them in ABC order, row 1 and then row 2. Here you're going to have 2 articles, and she wants to include some information. Which paragraph would provide her with the best information? Article A, paragraph 1, Article A, paragraph 2, Article B, paragraph 1, or Article B, paragraph 2. Here's another Part A, Part B, and on this one, Part B, you choose 2. So this is Part A, this is Part B 1, and Part B 2. And again, put the Part B in ABC order. So this will be the first one in ABC order, and this would be the second one in ABC order for Part 2. Which sentence is not correct? Part A and Part B, punctuation. Question 8, question 9, choose 2, put them in ABC order, please. Question 10. Here's a student writing about Diego from the same moon. Which could she include to provide the best evidence that Diego misses his uncle? Persuasive note. What would you include in a persuasive note? If you're writing directions, what would you use? Tall tale. Do your best.